everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On today's video, I'm gonna go shopping for ornaments. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree and we're gonna compare the prices and the quality of their ornaments. So at the end of this video, you will find out who gives you better bang for your buck. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let's go shopping.
Alright, you guys, we are at Dollar Tree and we're gonna go inside and pick about 5 to 10 ornaments so we can pair them up against Hobby Lobby's ornaments. We're gonna look at the quality and also the price and see if they're worth your money. So let's go inside. Okay, we're gonna get some of these red ornaments. Actually, I'm gonna get them in gold because we have a project coming up in gold and they are only $1, I believe. Let's take a few of those. I also like this slate right here. I like the natural looking one versus the red one, but they both are a really good option. Let's take one of those too. I like this candy cane with the little words joy in it. Let's take one of them too. 5 ornaments for $1. Let's pick a color we like and let's take some of them and compare them. Alright, so I picked about 7 ornaments here at the Dollar Tree, and so now we're gonna head over to Hobby Lobby and find something similar so we can compare them, not only the quality but also the price. So I will let you know who has a better bang for your buck when it comes down to ornaments. My bow tie is crooked. Okay, so we are looking for some gold ornaments and also a sleigh and also a sign, and there seem to be a few of them right here, so let me pick the right ones. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I got some things. Let's go home and compare prices. Alright, so I have my purchases. Now I'm gonna go and compare all of these items and I will let you know who has the better bang for your buck. God, I love saving.
Alright guys, I'm back with my Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree items and we're gonna go through all of them. Let's do Dollar Tree first. So at Dollar Tree I got this pack of 5 ornaments which I've gotten before. These are 5 ornaments in a little tube, and I looked at Hobby Lobby for something similar but I couldn't find just a pack of 5. So what I got at Hobby Lobby for this particular item to compare to is this other pack of ornaments, and these are 12 on the pack. So as you can see, they're similar. They both have a design, they both have glitter, and so we're gonna talk about this in a little bit. So let's put that to the side. Then the next thing I got at Dollar Tree is these ornaments. They are gold and they come in various textures and patterns and mats and all kinds of finishes. So I got 3 of these guys, and to compare with Hobby Lobby, I found this pack of 3 ornaments right here. It comes packaged on a little pretty box. These just are loose on the box over at the store. So I'm gonna put this right here. Hopefully they don't fall. And then the next item that I got at Dollar Tree is this little sleigh. It's made out of plastic and it has this greenery and berries and some little pine cones. And then what I got at Hobby Lobby to compare it to, I have this little sleigh that's a little bit more better quality, but it's very similar concept. They both have that twine that hangs on them. So we're gonna compare those two in a little bit, and I will talk to you about prices and everything you need to know. Then the other thing that I got at Dollar Tree is these little hats. They also came in black. This little hat right here has a really pretty pattern, a tartan pattern, and it's made out of cardboard. Then to compare this with Hobby Lobby, I bought this pack of 3 little hats. They only come in packs of 3, so I'm gonna compare that little hat to these guys right here. And like I said, I will break down the prices for you. Then the last thing I got at Dollar Tree is these 2 little signs. They are made out of wood and they have these little sprigs of greenery and pine cones on them. And I couldn't find anything similar at Hobby Lobby. However, I got a wooden sign that is about the same size, and we're gonna compare them also on price. So let's go over to the studio and I'll show you what all of this looks like one against the other one, and we'll talk about prices. Let's go. Alright, you guys, let's start with this lace. This side right here will be Hobby Lobby, when this side right here will be Dollar Tree. With this particular Hobby Lobby, what I like about it is because it's heavy duty. It is, this lid retail for $4.99, so you get 40% off because you know Christmas is always 40%. So that puts this lid at $2.99. But like I said, it's really heavy duty with the metal and the wood, and this looks really good. Now the Dollar Tree is made out of some really inexpensive plastic looking material, and this right here also is very inexpensive looking, and this, to make it look like wood, it's obviously made out of burlap just glued on it. So on this particular round I will give it to Hobby Lobby for the quality, $2.99 versus $1. Alright, you guys, we have round number 2, and that's the small ornaments. As you can see, they're very similar, they're very detailed, they all have glitter and a lot of texture on them. I broke it down per price, and Hobby Lobby comes down at 59 cents when Dollar Tree comes down at 19 cents per ornament. So there's a big price difference. They're both made out of shatterproof materials. So as you can see on this round, Dollar Tree gets my vote for the price difference of 59 cents versus 19 cents. Alright, round number 3, we have these wooden ornaments. As you guys can see, they're very similar in size, and they both have a saying. This one says joy, this one says let us know. Now this guy retail right here at $4.99 minus the 40% off comes down to $2.99, where this ornament right here comes out at 99 cents from the Dollar Tree. So on this particular round, Dollar Tree gets my vote for the quality and also for the price. We have Hobby Lobby on the left hand side, and we have Dollar Tree on the right hand side. Now I've broken down the prices. This right here retails for $9.99, and you get 40% off, which comes down to $7. Now if you break down per ornament, the ornaments come down to $1.99 a piece, when at Dollar Tree you can get these big same size ornaments in a variety of colors. They're both shatterproof, and at Dollar Tree they're only 99 cents. So I would give this round my vote to Dollar Tree for the price and the quality. Alright, you guys, on this round we have the top hats decorated for Christmas. They're both the same size, and as you can see, they're both embellished with some ribbons and some greenery and some berries. Now these Hobby Lobbies come packaged as 3, and it retails for $11.99. After your 40% off, you get them for $7. So if you break it down for the 3 of them, it is about $2 and some change, to where at Dollar Tree you get them for 99 cents or $1. So like I said, the quality is about the same, and the sizes are about the same, so I like them both. But on this round, Dollar Tree gets my vote for quality and also for looks and for the price. Alright, you guys, as you can see, both stores have very similar prices, and if you're gonna use them just to stick them inside the tree, then I would recommend you go to Dollar Tree. But if you want them to be more of a showstopper, then I recommend you invest the extra few dollars and buy them at Hobby Lobby. That's all I have for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't to Ramon at Home for future decorating and Christmas ideas. And also leave me a comment on the comment section below if you would like a video like this but with ribbon. We can find out who has a better ribbon for better prices. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the... Hey you, yeah, you, have you subscribed to this channel? I think you should, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, you can just watch more videos right here. Subscribe.